Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a new Walmart haul. So let's get started with Walmart. Okay, first I picked up two liters again of the Cherry Diet Pepsi. So I picked up two Cherry Diet Pepsis, 2 liters. I also picked up at Walmart another bag of these Tyson honey batter tender chickens. They're really good. They're already cooked. All you do is heat them up in the microwave or the air fryer or whatever you want to do, or the oven. Sorry guys about all the noise for a second. I picked up one of these Philly cheesesteaks, little sandwiches. These are really, really good. You just throw them in the microwave for like 3 minutes. It's already hot, melted. It's really good. So these are good to take to lunch with you at work or anything quick and easy, like a quick little meal. So I just picked one of those up. I ended up picking up 2 of these. I have one in the other bag over there. This is the big gigantic burritos. Bean and cheese burritos. Bean and cheese. These are only $1 at the Walmart. They're big burritos. So I got that for my son. Then they had the Cheetos back, guys. But they didn't have the regular cheese one that I usually grab, that I liked it. They only had 2 of these left. I wish I have 2 now. This is the jalapeno and cheese, the green box. They also had the flaming hot ones. I already have them already here. I don't like the flaming hot for myself. It's too hot and spicy. But I picked up 2 jalapeno cheese. So this has like a little kick to it, but it's not, you can feel the spice, but it's not like really burning, like to hurt your mouth. But it's good. I was looking for the regular one, but they didn't have it. They sold out. Everybody wiped it out. And then I picked up these Marie Callender's. I don't know how you pronounce her name. Yeah, this is the Buffalo style macaroni and cheese bowl. And it's got like chicken and the macaroni and whatever. So I got this for my son, so I'll see if he likes that. Quick little meal. Here's the other box of the Cheetos. I only picked up 2. And then I picked up this bowl right here, Marie Callender's. This is the creamy Vermont mac and cheese bowl with the crunchy toppings. So I ate this before. It's okay. It's not like the whole best, but it's pretty good. It's okay. So I got those because these were only like 2 something each at Walmart. So they're super, super cheap. And then the next thing, I bought a whole bunch of these. I'm always buying these Noir side dishes. I love this cheesy cheddar one. The cheesy cheddar ones are good. It has like the little spiral. You see that, like rotini noodles. So this is quick and easy in a pinch when you're doing a quick side dish. And you can flavor them up and do whatever. You can add whatever you want to it. Hold on a minute, guys. Yeah, so I got a whole bunch of them. You know, the cheesy cheddars. These. They're only $1 over there, so they're good for prepping and stocking up in your pantry. So I grab these when I see them. I like the cheesy cheddar ones. So I got a whole bunch of them. So I believe I bought like 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, like 8 packages of the Noir's side dishes. Here's the other burrito. Big bean and cheese burrito. Then I got this really big cookies and cream Twix bar. Got this for my son as a little snack. See if he likes this one. It looks really good. So there's a cookie and creams Twix bar. I picked up 2 of my salads. I love these. This is the American style pasta salad. And I know a lot of people, they do the similar recipe to this. I seen them doing with the noodles and the ham and the cheese and the olives. But then they just put mayonnaise. This is not mayonnaise. This is like a different type of dressing. I think it's like a buttermilk ranch or something like that. It's really good. And then I have this here. I picked up this big mint and dark chocolate Kit Kat. So this is the king size mint and chocolate Kit Kat. So it looks like that. And then I picked up some DVDs. Hold on a second. Everything's falling. I picked up some DVDs. I got this one, Scooby-Doo. This is a cartoon. Scooby-Doo and Zombieland. It says Return to Zombieland, the original movie. And it looks like that. Crazy, right? So I remember Scooby-Doo in the 70s. It's so cute. And then I got the Madea. This is the real movie. Tyler Perry's A Madea Family Funeral. This is a real funny comedy. This is not, how you say it, like the play. So sometimes you got to watch when you buy the Madea movies. It says the play or the real movie. So this one's the real movie. Then I got this one, Dragon Heart. And this is about another dragon. It's really cute. And then I picked up this one. This is Al Capone. The other new movie from Al Capone. It's a guy playing Al Capone. I'm sorry. Al Capone, okay? So that's what it's about. He's playing that gangster from back in the days. And then the last one I picked up is 3 from Hell. And you know who these people are. They're from the Rob Zombie movies, Devil's Rejects, Thousand Corpse, you know. So this one's called 3 from Hell. This costs way more in the regular stores. All these DVDs were only $5. So I just grabbed those. $5 each. So that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Walmart. Thanks for watching this little Walmart haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing way more soon. Keep a lookout for a lot of new ones coming up. I have a lot of new stores and new things coming up. So I'm going to be spending more money. But anyway, thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.